What's the meaning of Baker Street? Baker Street. Baker Street.
Baker Street. Baker Street. Baker Street is a famous street in the Marylebone district of London, England. The street was named after William Baker, a builder and land developer who laid out the street in the 18th century. Baker Street gained international fame as the fictional residence of Sherlock Holmes, a renowned detective created by author Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Today, the street is home to numerous shops, restaurants, and businesses, and is a popular destination for tourists. Additionally, the Baker Street Underground Station serves as an important transportation hub for commuters and travelers alike. Overall, Baker Street remains an iconic location in London's cultural history.